To news now in politics, the Jamaica Labour Party is eyeing seats in the West, traditionally won by the opposition People's National Party. The declaration was made by party leader Andrew Holness, who in making his case for another term in office committed to addressing violence in schools. He was speaking at an area council for meeting at the Russey's High School in Hanover.
Spotlight Western Hanover.
It has been 31 years, not 13. 31 long years of separation in Western Hanover.
Tamika Davis is the JLP's standard bearer for the constituency. She's hoping to unseat the PNP's Ian Hales, who's been the MP since 2007.
And she will outrun any opponent on the other side.
And the JLP doesn't have its eyes set on Western Hanover alone.
As it stands now, all seats in Westmoreland are in play.
The party leader clearly unmoved by declarations that Westmoreland is, quote, PNP territory.
The Jamaica Labour Party will pay attention and exert great effort in eastern Westmoreland, in central Westmoreland, and in western Westmoreland.
Mr. Holness would then turn his attention to national issues. Speaking in his capacity as Education Minister, he says he's taken note of the resurgence of violence in schools. In response, new legislation is coming which will, among other things, hold parents accountable for their child's behavior. He pointed to an incident at a school in Portmore St. Catherine where a parent threatened violence against the teachers.
Tell them how he's going to shoot up the school. Now all the teachers there are in fear. We must never, as a society, allow any parent to do that to a school.
In response,
that I will be having a special word to the commissioner, that parent must be found and an example made of him.
As for disciplining students, Mr. Holness insists corporal punishment is not an option.
We too can elevate our society to those levels where we don't have to contemplate violence as a means of controlling our children, violence as a means of controlling our lovers and loved ones, violence as a means of controlling our family, and violence as a means of securing our economic benefit.